What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. Well guys, have you ever imagined when you take a walk in the city street in the night and all of a sudden that beautiful night can be transformed or can be turned into a spooky and creepy night? Yes guys, in this video I would like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one from this beautiful city street during the midnight, and after using the special prompt this picture can be turned into the spooky and scary city street like this. How to create this one? It is very easy, so without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I used before was the Nano Banana here, and I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to use another platform like the Dream or Quen AI or the Gemini AI, it is very okay, you can go with it. And here I will also share you the prompt to create this photo transformation. Don't worry guys. And if you would like to access it via Google AI Studio, then don't forget to do the login first with your email. And this is the look of the home page, and you can click try Nano Banana here, and you can start to upload the picture of your favorite city street like this. And after that I will put the prompt into this section. And for example, the prompt will be like this: a chilling low-angle shoot down a deserted fog-shrouded city street at the dead of night. The towering Gothic-style building on either side are dark and foreboding, with only few broken or flickering light in their windows. Like this. And also the street light casts unnatural sicky green or dim and also the flickering orange glow barely piercing the thick and swirling mist that clings to the ground and obscure the distance. And also the yellow double lines on the road are faded and cracked. And also you can add another detail like the strange elongate shadow stretch from the unseen corner, and the silence is oppressive, broken only by faint and unidentifiable. And also it will also create the unsettling sounds, for example. And also one of the stars of this: numerous translucent, wispy spectral figures drift silently between the alleyways, adding to the profound sense of unease. So the atmosphere is intensely spooky, creepy, and profoundly unsettling, as if something unseen lurks just beyond the veil of fog. So this is the prompt that we will use over here. And after that you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the result down here guys. And actually this is the same prompt that I used before to transform this picture to become this one. And actually you can also have the different output, and you can simply check it out, and if you love it then you can start to download it, and if after that this picture will be officially saved into your device. And however, if you'd like to get a different one, then you can continue to click rerun this turn in this section or this section. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. And also you can let us know in this comment section if this prompt also worked for you guys. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.